In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an n8n AI video generator that accepts text or image inputs and delivers results on Telegram. We'll begin by adding a form trigger node. This creates a simple web form that kicks off the workflow as soon as a user submits it. The form should collect a video description, which becomes your prompt, plus the aspect ratio and video quality. Include an optional image upload field so the same form can handle both text-to-video and image-to-video requests. Once someone clicks Submit, n8n starts the workflow automatically with all those fields available for mapping. Next, add a switch node and name it Check Has Image. This node looks at whether an image was uploaded. If there's no image, we'll follow the text-to-video path. If an image is present, we'll route to the image-to-video path. Clear naming here will help you debug and keep the branches organized. On the text-to-video path, create an HTTP request node called text-to-video. Configure it to send the user's prompt, aspect ratio, and video quality to your AI video API using the Sora style model. Map the form fields directly and capture the task ID returned by the API so you can track progress. Use JSON where possible and keep credentials secure in n8n credential storage. Because rendering takes time, add a wait node set to 30 seconds. This prevents you from checking too early and hitting unnecessary requests. You can fine-tune this wait based on your model's typical speed. After the pause, add an HTTP request node called checkStatus text. Pass the task ID and read the response to see whether the job is still processing or has completed successfully. Then add an IF node named isReady text to evaluate the status. If it's not ready, loop back to the wait node and keep polling. If it's ready, move forward. Add another HTTP request node, download video text, to fetch the finished video from the URL returned by the API. The file will arrive in the workflow as binary data, so set the binary property appropriately to handle the download. Now, use a Telegram node called sendTextToVideo to deliver the finished clip directly to a Telegram chat. Map the binary video, add a caption if you like, and test with your bot credentials. For the image-to-video branch, start with an HTTP request node called Upload to IMGBB to host the user's image and get a public URL. Then add image to video, sending the image URL, prompt, aspect ratio, and quality to the AI API. Repeat the same. Wait, check status, image, and isReady, image, loop until the render is complete. Finish with download video, image, then a Telegram node named sendImageToVideo to deliver the result. That's it, one form, two paths, and automatic Telegram delivery.